Dad, what is this small plant?
It is a baby tomato plant, Sam.
Is the plant thirsty, Dad?
Yes. Plants drink water from the soil to grow tall.
Good morning. Plants need water, and they also need the sun.
Why do they need the sun, Mom?
The sun gives them light. Leaves use light to make their food.
Wow! Water and sun make food for the plant.
Exactly.
Now, let us go inside for our food.
I am hot and thirsty, Mom.
Here is some ice, Sam. Touch it.
Oh, it is very cold and hard.
Yes, ice is solid water. It is very cold.
Sam, look here. The water in the pot is very hot. I see white smoke. What is it?
That is steam. When water gets very hot, it changes into gas.
So, water can be hard ice, liquid water, or hot steam? Yes, you are very smart.
Science is everywhere.
Look at my red ball. I will throw it very high. Up, 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 it goes into the sky.
Good catch, Sam. The ball always comes back down.
Dad, why does the ball fall down? Why does it not fly away?
Because of gravity. The Earth is very big and heavy.
Yes, the big Earth pulls everything down to the ground.
I jump up, and the Earth pulls me down too.
Exactly. Gravity keeps us safe on the ground. We do not float away.
Gravity is a strong, invisible force. Now, let us go home before it gets dark.
The sky is so dark now. I see many little lights.
Those are stars, Sam. And look at the big, beautiful moon.
The moon is so big. Does the moon stay in one place?
No, Sam. The moon moves. The moon goes around our Earth.
The moon goes around us? What about the sun?
In the morning, we see the sun. Our Earth goes around the big sun.
Wow! The moon goes around Earth, and Earth goes around the sun.
That is right. The universe is very big and wonderful.
Science is fun. I love our Family Science Day. Good night, Sam. Good night, beautiful universe. A new day! We are at the zoo. Look at that tall animal. What is it, Dad?
That is a giraffe, Sam. It has a very long neck.
What does the giraffe eat for breakfast?
It eats green leaves from the tall trees. Animals that eat only leaves and plants are called plant eaters.
Oh, look there! A big cat is sleeping.
That is a lion. It is a very strong animal.
Sam. Lions do not eat leaves. They eat meat.
Meat. Meat. So the lion is a meat eater.
Yes. Some animals eat plants, and some animals eat meat.
Dad, what about us? What do we eat? Yeah!
We eat both. We eat green vegetables and we also eat meat.
Biology is cool! I am hungry for some food now. The water is so blue and cool today. I have a yellow boat and a gray rock. I put the yellow boat in the water.
Look, Sam, the boat stays on top of the water. We call this floating. The boat floats.
Now, I will put the gray rock in the water. Oh! It goes down very fast. Oh!
Yes, the rock goes down to the bottom. We call this sinking.
Why does the boat float, but the rock sinks, Mom?
It is about being heavy or light. The rock is small, but very heavy.
Heavy things often sink down. Light things often float on top. Let us try this big red apple.
Wow! The big apple floats too! It does not sink!
You are right. The apple is big, but it is light inside.
Ah! Water science is very fun. I love floating. The beach is so big and beautiful. Oh. Something is touching my face and hair. I cannot see it, Dad. What is it?
That is the wind, Sam. It is moving air.
We cannot see the air, but we can feel it moving. Let us use the wind. Look at this colorful kite.
A kite! I want to fly it high in the sky.
Run fast, Sam. Let the wind catch the kite.
Wow! It is flying. It goes up very high. The kite is heavy now. Something is pushing it.
The invisible wind is pushing the kite up into the sky.
Air is everywhere. We breathe air to live.
I breathe air in. The air goes into my body.
Yes, air is inside us and air is outside, moving the kite.
The invisible wind is very strong and fun.